The telescopic S-stem from XP. What makes it so special? Come on. First of all, let's look at ergonomics. Now, this stem's not just been designed to look pretty, it actually serves a function. The telescopic S-stem allows the user to get an exact pass from left to right, keeping an exact distance from the ground. Whereas if you were using something like a straight stem, the stem would be forced up at the end of each sweep. So the user's actually physically pushing the stem towards the ground at the end of each pass. Because you're using less effort for each sweep, it's less fatigue, and this is especially noticeable on long hunts. The quality rubber grip on the stem gives you a nice feel in the hand, and this all adds to the XP experience. Well, this telescopic S-stem can be quickly deployed in seconds and packed away neatly into a backpack thanks to the XP wireless technology. It may be worth noting that when you buy an XP search coil, it comes with a lower stem and coil fixing kit. So here we have the Deus set up with the new coil. How long does it take to change to a different search coil? First of all, select your new coil from the menu. Now, hit the cam lock, remove your old coil, grab your new coil, switch it in, and there you are. The new coil is now ready to use. It's as simple as that. Because the shape of this stem gives a natural arc, you're constantly away from your feet. You don't have to keep pushing the stem away from the front of your toes, whereas some stems it naturally pulls inwards. I think it's time for some artistic shots. Another thing I absolutely love about this stem is how easy it is to adjust the stem length. On a lot of conventional stems you've got the pip and hole system where you've got a limited amount of adjustment because your pip needs to line up with your hole. Now with this XP stem, all you do is release the bottom clamp so the stem is sliding, find your desired height, which should be about 12 inches in front of your feet, and just make sure you can hold the stem with just 2 fingers underneath, hit the cam lock, and then the stem's adjusted to your exact length. Perfect. Although this stem's pretty much indestructible, it's made out of a modular design, so all the components can be quickly changed if need be. It may be worth noting that the ORX has a moulded arm cup and top stem, whereas the Deus, the arm cup is completely changeable. The ORX and the Deus stems are fully compatible, so if you want to use your ORX with a Deus stem or your Deus with an ORX stem, it's just plug and play. The same goes for the search coils and the lower stems. They're all fully compatible. Well, that's my little talk about the telescopic S-stem from XP. What's not to like?